Hi friends, my name is Ritesh and today I would like to show you that how to do sorting in SQL and Power BI. Okay, so I have this table for your example which is sales data. Okay, and I have the month name, month number, okay, and this sales column. So I want the total sales of all these months. Okay, but I want these months in order also, like Jan should be first, Feb should be second, okay, March should be third, and so on. Okay, so how to do this? So it will be select from sales data. Okay, firstly I will give my first column. It will be sum of sales. I will alias this as total underscore sales. Okay, comma, then I will give my second column which is month name. Okay, then it will be month number. Okay, now from sales data, okay, it will be group by month name comma month number both. Okay, and order by month number. Okay, let me execute this now. So it is giving me the total sales of the of all months, January, Feb, March, in an order. So Jan is first, Feb is second, March is third. So this is how like we are doing the sorting in SQL. Okay, now how to do how to do sorting in Power BI. Let me go to my Power BI window. Okay, so I have the same data, sales data. Okay, now what I will do, I will take this graph. Okay, and suppose I will drag this sales in the values. Okay, and I will drag the month name in axis. Okay, let me make it some big, or let me maximize it so that it will be visible to you, or let me make the data labels on. Okay, let me make this on. So as you see, the months are not in order. Okay, October is coming first, November is like this, so they are in not in order. So how to do this? Okay, let me go to this month name. Okay, just select this and sort it by month number. Okay, so it is working on it. After doing this, okay, after doing this, just drag this month name in this axis column again. Okay, and now see, now it is giving me the month sales in an order. Jan is first, Feb is second. Okay, now suppose if you want to display the sales by day, then what you need to do, just go to this data tab, click on new table. Okay, click on new column, sorry, new column. Okay, and just name this column as suppose weekday number. Okay, and just give the formula weekday. Okay, weekday, and give that column which is the date column, which is order date. Close the parenthesis, hit enter. Okay, and it will take some time to yeah, it is giving me the weekday number. Now I want the weekday name also, so it will be, I will create the new column again. Okay, new column, and I will name this as suppose weekday weekday name weekday name. Okay, so it will be format. Okay, the name of the column which is order date. Okay, in double quotes you can write DDD three times. Just close the this double quotes and hit enter. So it will take a while to reflect this. Now it is giving me the weekday name also, Sunday, Thursday, Friday, etc. Okay, now suppose instead of this just me back to report. Okay, instead of this, suppose I want the weekday name. Okay, so let me drag this weekday name. Okay, and now as you can see that it is also not in order. So how to do this? Just select this weekday name column. Okay, and sort it by weekday number. Okay, which is here weekday number. Okay, and it is working on it. And after doing this, just drag this weekday name again in the axis. Okay, and now as you can see that my sales is in order according to day. So Sunday is first, Monday is second, Tuesday is third, and like so on. So this is how like we are doing sorting in SQL and Power BI. So hope you like this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.